I'm right here by my stove. I'm working on some supper. We're having tacos, and something that I always make with tacos is refried beans. I just wanted to kind of show y'all how I make them so that you can make them too. All you really need is a can of beans and some seasonings, and you're good to go. All of our seasonings that I like to put in it. And when I have it on hand, I like to put lime juice in there, but I don't have any this time. So this is what we've got, and we just have it dumped all in there, and then we'll just mix it up and bring it to a boil. This is just a can of black beans. You can obviously use any kind of beans that you like. We just prefer black beans. So just give it a real good stir to mix all of the seasonings together, and then we're just going to let it come to a boil. Now that we have those beans boiling, we're going to just continue to stir them so that none of it sticks to the pan, and we're just going to allow it to thicken up, to turn the heat down just a little bit, but you still want it to be boiling so that it boils all of the, or most of the water off of it, and it just allows it to thicken, but you want to constantly be stirring it so it doesn't stick. Consistency is really thickening up. I've reduced the heat some more, and I'm just continuing to stir it so that it's not sticking to the pan. It will stick just a little bit, but the more you stir it, the less it's going to stick. I just went ahead and took the beans off of the burner. You can see them back there. It was thickening up really great, but I didn't want it cooking anymore, so we've got it off the burner. I'm going to keep stirring it. Yeah, we're just going to let it cool off, and as it cools off, it's going to keep thickening up, and it's going to turn into that really nice refried bean consistency. Beans have really thickened up very nicely. You can kind of mash down on them a little bit to smash up the whole beans that are still left, but you can see there, I know this does not look appetizing, but it is that perfect refried bean consistency, and they taste really great. Even if it might not look absolutely amazing, these are going to be fantastic on our tacos.